I looked to find a good video demonstrating how to floss, but there really isn't one. The animation I made a little while back I think is far better. And yeah, never get your child to floss. They're going to cut themselves. But interdental cleaning can certainly make you be more healthy. And this is how to floss. So you need to get the floss wrapped around your fingers so you control it. And then what you need to do is just to push it between the teeth, as will be shown on the video here. There are many types of floss. There are wax floss, there's tape. Generally, most hygienists recommend a tape because it's easy to control, and often these are impregnated with fluoride so they have a nice taste to them. So you have to force the floss down in between the teeth, so often it's quite tight, and then once you've got through the gap, you push it against one side of the tooth or pull it against the other side of the tooth and use an up and down motion, not a sawing motion, because this can do more harm than good. So if you haven't done it for a while, like most things, there's a bit of a learning curve, so it's a lot easier if you just try on the front teeth first and then gradually work your way around to the back teeth. Videos within the app explaining why you need to do this, and that the bleeding is either due to a poor technique or is due to underlying gum disease. And like with all things, you have to clean a little bit more rather than a bit less if this is the case. And as many of you are aware now, there are interdental brushes, and in general most hygienists and dentists recommend them above floss. But the reality is sometimes you need both. As you get older, our gums mature a bit more and the gaps get bigger, and so generally that's when we start using the brushes. And for most people it's a 1-minute procedure, but for those of you who have periodontal disease it can take up to 10 minutes. So make full use of this time using the modern technology, the phone, Bluetooth headphones and podcasts. You can listen to some old Desert Island discs, whatever you like.